subscribe. Let's unpack this weekend's absolute chaos before the opening bell rings. Brent crude spiked to $114 overnight. If you're trading energy, here's your geopolitical epicenter. CENTCOM just launched Project Freedom to break the Hormuz blockade. The global oil choke point is officially squeezed. It's been pure chaos. From blockades to tech shakeups, the last 48 hours completely rewrote today's trading playbook. 40 tankers are stranded, with insurance premiums jumping eightfold. Underwriters are literally the only ones making a killing. Spirit Airlines literally ran out of gas, and the UAE just shocked OPEC by exiting. What a bumpy ride. S&P Global isn't exaggerating here. This is a historic, seismic shift in energy security that will rock the open. And how are we funding this? The U.S. national debt conveniently crossed 100% of GDP this morning. That massive debt milestone arrives right on time to fund our dual front, Middle East naval battles and AI. This is triggering a brutal old economy rotation. Watch energy and small caps absolutely eat software's lunch today. Hyperscaler spending is relentless. Hardware giants have massive pricing power, while bloated software valuations face the chopping block. As if that wasn't enough, Tim Cook dropped a bombshell resignation today, throwing big tech into absolute disarray. So here's your playbook. Watch crude futures, defense ETFs, and AI semiconductors. Brace your portfolios for a volatile open. The weekend noise is filtered out. The opening bell is seconds away. How are you playing this open?